Assalamu alaikum. Hello student, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Allah and I am also well. Most welcome to our online class. We have the Shuhid Nazmul Haq Girls High School. I am Nazmul Naha Shobha, Assistant Teacher English. Well, today I would like to tell about Independence Day from your first paper book for class 9 and 10. So today's topic is Independence Day, Unit 3, Lesson 5. So open your book and open at page number 39. Page number 39. So, what can you see in the picture? What can you see? We can see National Memorial in the picture. We can see in the picture National Memorial. Where is it? Do you know, all of you? Where is it? It is situated at Sabar in Dhaka. Why was it built? Do you know, all of you? Where was it built? It was built because the martyrs, all martyrs who sacrificed their life during the liberation war 1971. Okay, all of you can understand. We can see in the picture National Memorial, and it is situated at Sabar in Dhaka, and it is built. The martyrs sacrificed their life, who sacrificed their lives, liberation war 1971. Okay, after we have studied the unit, we will be able to ask and tell about event, seek and give suggestion, listen for specific information, hard word find out. Okay, let's go back to reading. Okay, student, all of you listen to me. Now I am reading. Okay, here 26 March, our Independence Day, is one of the most important state festival. The day is celebrated every year in the country with great enthusiasm and fervor. It is a national holiday. All offices, educational institutions, shops and factories remain closed on this day. The day begins with a 31-gun salute. So we can see here 26 March Independence Day, and it is a national holiday. Otherwise, this day is celebrated every year in our country with great enthusiasm and fervor. And all offices, educational institutions, shops, factories remain closed on this day. Otherwise, the day begins with 31-gun salute. Okay, next para we'll read now. Early in the morning, the President and the Prime Minister, on behalf of the nation, placed floral wreaths at the National Museum at Sabar. Then other leaders, political parties, diplomats, social and cultural organizations, educational institutions, and freedom fighters pay homage to the martyrs. People from all walks of life also go there in rallies and processions. There are many cultural programs throughout the day highlighting the heroic struggle and sacrifices in 1971. So we can see this para. Every in the morning, President and Prime Minister, on behalf of the national, places floral wreaths at the National Museum at Sabar. Then other leaders, political parties, diplomats, social and cultural organizations, educational institutions, and freedom fighters pay homage to the martyrs. People from all walks of life also go there in rallies and position. There are many cultural programs throughout the day highlighting the heroic struggle and sacrifice in 1971. Okay, let's go next para. Now we will read. In Bangabandhu National Stadium, school children, scouts and Girl Guides take part in various displays to entertain thousands of spectators. Educational institutions also organize their individual programs. sport meets and tournaments are also organized on that day, including the excited boat race in the river Buriganga. Yes, student, that day including excited boat race also in the river Buriganga. Otherwise, the Bangabandhu National Institute school president, scout and Girls Guide take part in various displays of the entertainment. Entertainment also, thousands of spectators. Educational institutions also organizes their individual programs. Okay, turn your page, all of you. Next, we can see here in the evening, all major public buildings are illuminated with colorful lights. Bangla Academy, Bangladesh Shilpokala Academy and other social cultural organizations hold cultural functions. Similar functions are also arranged in other places in the country. So evening, all major public buildings are illuminated. Illuminated means lighted, highlighted, or with colorful lights. Bangla Academy, such as Bangla Academy, Bangla Shilpokala Academy, and other social cultural organization and cultural functions. Similar functions are also arranged in other places in the country. Okay, all of you can understand this passage. Otherwise, you also read properly at your home again. Now we will find out hard word. Hard word we will find out from this passage. So I have found out some word. You can see I have written also on the board. Fervor, that means encouragement. Bangla means utsaho and preposition is noun. Alike. Alike means flat. Bangla means একই ভাবে and preposition is adjective. Spectator, that means viewer and Bangla means দর্শক and persepice is noun. Display, display means exhibition. Bangla means প্রদর্শন and it is noun. Illuminate, that means enlighten. Bangla means jalano and persepice is verb. Okay, all of you, if you think you can get you have got another hard word, so you must write down at your copy and must memorize also and solve also and memorize also at your home properly. Okay, now we can see here matching word with their meaning also here has given. Now we will solve this. Okay, here fervor, so I have told also previous, fervor means encouragement, otherwise Bangla means utsaho, so correct answer will be held a strong feeling of excitement. Okay, and alike, alike means Bangla means একই ভাবে and it means flat and here a similar way. Okay, spectator, that means viewer, so here answer a person who is watching an event. Then displays, প্রদর্শন, প্রদর্শন act of the performing skills. Illuminate, that means jalano and answer will be held to light up. Okay, all of you, now here has given choose the best answer, so MCQ has given. Now we will solve this question. 1 number question has given our one of the most important state festival is 1 number Victory Day, B number Shahid Dibosh, Pohela Boishak, D number Independence Day. Obviously answer will be held D number, Independence Day. 2 number has given the celebration of Independence Day begins with A number processions, B number gun salute, placing wreath at the National Mausoleum, D number parade by the defense forces. So answer will be held B number gun salute. Okay, 3 number has given the National Mausoleum is A number on Dhaka University campus. B number at Ramana Park. C number at Shavar. D number near Dhaka Medical College. So answer will be here C number at Shavar. Okay, next page we'll go now. Phone number also has given MCQ. Phone number on Independence Day various displays are held. A number has given at the National Parade Ground. B number in the estates. C number in the decorated vehicles. D number in Bangabandhu Stadium. So answer will be held at the National Parade Ground. Okay, all of you, you can understand. Now here we can see, write a brief how you have celebrated this. Know this, here I have written every year's Independence Day at your school. So this is for homework for you. You must solve at your home in your copy. Write down also in your copy. Write a brief how you celebrated. You will not write this. You will write every year's Independence Day at your school. Okay, all of you, and this is homework for you. You must write them at your home. So again you read properly this passage, and hard word find out, and Bangla means you also with Bangla means you reading properly at your home. Okay, so finally that's all of you. I hope you try to understand properly today's lesson. Finally we can say today's condition is not good, so you don't go outside unnecessarily. So you stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy also. I pray for you so that you are well and safe. Thank you. See you again next class, and take care all of you. Allah Hafiz.